Now we have an idea about what a program is. It's a set of instructions that tell the computer how to accept and store the input and how to process and output the result. In short, this lecture will further break down these steps into more important constructs. Let's have a quick relook at the steps. In a computer program, the instructions issued to a computer are called statements. In general, statements are categorized into the storage statements that instructs the computer to allocate memory space, the input statement that assign or set values in the storage spaces, processing statements that perform one or more operations on the data. We will look at it in detail just now. And finally, the output statements that send the results of the processing to an output device that presents it to the user. Why I don't use the word display? Because display would mean that output can only be sent to a monitor or any visual device. But output is not only confined to visible data, but also output can be heard via speaker or printed using a printer or stored as a computer file. That's why it's best to say data sent to the output device is presented to the user. Whether it's presented as a text or sound, or it makes a robot move or makes a rocket fly, it can be anything.